Hi, if you're a fan of Sony's Alpha series, you've likely been eagerly awaiting an update to the much-loved A74, and now, the rumors are hotter than ever that the Sony A75 is on its way to redefine the mirrorless camera market. Recent leaks and insider reports suggest that the A75, inspired by higher-end models like the A93, will boast a more refined, ergonomic body with improved weather sealing, a sturdier magnesium alloy construction, and a textured grip that promises enhanced handling during long shooting sessions, making it a compelling choice for both professional photographers and content creators. The sensor options are a major talking point, with rumors indicating that the A75 might either stick with the proven 33-megapixels more CMOS sensor from its predecessor or take a bold leap to a 44-megapixel IMX366 sensor, delivering unprecedented resolution and detail for high-quality prints and extensive post-processing. Powering this beast is expected to be Sony's state-of-the-art Bion XR processor, potentially complemented by an AI processing chip that could revolutionize autofocus, real-time subject tracking, advanced noise reduction, adaptive color profiling, and even real-time eye and animal detection, ensuring that every shot is captured with precision and clarity. Moreover, the electronic viewfinder is rumored to see a significant upgrade from 3.68 million to 5.76 million dots, offering photographers a sharper, more detailed preview of their composition, while improved connectivity options, such as dual-band Wi-Fi, could facilitate faster wireless transfers and seamless remote shooting capabilities. Storage solutions might also see an enhancement with a combination of traditional SD card slots and CF Express compatibility for high-speed data handling of large raw files, which is crucial for professionals. Performance-wise, the A75 is expected to push the boundaries of both photography and videography, with potential continuous shooting rates of up to 20 frames per second when paired with the high-resolution sensor, and on the video side, support for 4K recording at 120 frames per second, with even whispers of 8K recording capabilities that could make it a go-to choice for filmmakers. One of the most exciting aspects is the enhanced AI integration, which might bring smarter features such as intelligent exposure adjustment, real-time scene recognition, and even computational photography techniques that simplify complex shooting scenarios, allowing users to focus on their creative vision rather than manual settings. While the A75 might see some trade-offs, such as a possible reduction in RAM from the special edition 16GB to 12GB, these adjustments are expected to keep the device competitively priced without sacrificing core performance. Release rumors suggest that Sony could announce the A75 between January and March 2025, with market availability following shortly after, and while some details remain shrouded in mystery, the potential improvements in design, sensor quality, processing power, and AI capabilities indicate that the Sony A75 is poised to set a new benchmark in the mirrorless camera landscape. If you're excited about the prospect of a camera that blends cutting-edge technology with practical usability, offering faster readout speeds, improved low-light performance, and smarter autofocus, then the A75 might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the future of Sony's Alpha series, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest camera innovations, only here on TechVerse.